George the First.
Hello everyone. Now we will show you our ideas about prejudice and reality about nature of Germany. This is how we planned our work. At first we brainstormed some ideas about prejudices. As you can see, we thought about the cold, about the weather, that it's cold, dark, rainy, snowy, that the air is polluted, and that Germans recycle. Then we compared them to reality, and we can see that Germany is not so polluted. They also use renewable energy sources from solar, water, wind, and so on. Okay, so we will show you it in pictures. The first picture will be our prejudice, the second will be our transition that we made, and the third picture will be the reality. And the first picture of each category is taken from the Italian presentation, so you may have seen them already.
Hänsel and Gretel. Even in all fairy tales, nature is very important. The most fairy tales take place in forests. Every German child has been told one of the stories. The heroes get lost in the mystery scary forest. They live in little houses surrounded with trees and flowers, and miracles are happening there every day. The prejudice that Germans love nature was not wrong at all. Germans love and try to protect the nature.
Forest. The forest is important for Germans. People think that Germans cut the forest, but the reality is that Germans love trees and protect them. Here you can see a beautiful part of Villa Hügel with a lot of beautiful and old trees.
Before you can ice skating, nature is important for the free time activities. Before you came to Germany, your prejudice was that the Germans like spending time outside, and the reality is that the nature is important for free time. The Germans are going skiing, jogging, cycling, swimming, and of course ice skating, as you can see.
Industry. There is a lot of industry in Germany. As you can see, Essen is known for its coal mines. The reality is that today the coal mines are closed and they're used like a museum. Like sulfuring.
Another prejudice is about air pollution. Air pollution is a huge problem in this country. Our prejudice was that the air in Germany is very polluted. In reality, the pollution level is not so high. For example, if you go in a park, you can breathe fresh air, as you can see in the picture.
Recycling. Recycling is a very popular problem in Germany to save nature. You think, before you come to Germany, the Germans protect the nature by recycling. In reality, the Germans recycle waste, and the reason is that they love nature and the forest, and they wanted to protect these.
The next prejudice is about the weather. So when we came here, we thought that weather in Germany is really cold and it's dark outside. But as we spent time here and visited really nice towns, we saw that after the rain there's always sun, and as you can see in this picture, the girl enjoys the good weather after the rain. So the reality is that it's not always cold and dark in Germany. There are days with sun and beautiful weather also. Thanks for watching.